Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I know we're already like a full week into May, but I wanted to sit down and chat a little bit and just do a birthday haul, kind of just what I bought in April, what I got for my birthday. It's not going to be like some extreme excessive haul. I just have like a little bit of makeup, a book, some wine, just some random things to talk about that I thought would be fun, a purse that I am obsessed with. So I'm excited to share it with y'all today, and also just wanted to say thank you for all the birthday wishes. I tried to comment back to as many people as possible, but there were so many comments. Thank you guys so much. And also, I thought it was so cool how many of y'all are Tauruses. I was not expecting that. It was like left and right, like my birthday's this week, my birthday's next week, like I'm a Taurus baby too, and I'm like, yes, living for all of the Tauruses here. But anyways, let's just go ahead and jump on in. So starting off with some makeup really quickly. First, I'll just talk about two palettes that I purchased that are not here yet in my life, unfortunately. The first is the Lowest Cosmetics Meet Me in the Underworld, or is it Underground? I think it's Underworld palette. I'll leave a picture on screen. Basically, I thought it was really pretty. I was gonna skip on it, but so many of y'all requested that I do a video on this, so I was actually able to pick it up. It sold out really fast, but I was on the website, I was ready to go. I had an alarm set, so just wanted to let you know that I did purchase that, and it has already shipped, so hopefully that will be getting to me soon and I can do a review on it. I also picked up the Menagerie x Nest Makeup Corner Serenity palette. Also had my alarm on for that one. I was like at I think it was 12:59. I was just hitting refresh over and over, and I was like, there's no way I'm not getting this palette. I had all of my information filled out ahead of time, so I did order that as well, and I don't think that that is shipped yet, but when it comes, I will be doing a video, of course. I'm counting those as like April birthday purchases because I kind of count everything in April as a birthday purchase, which goes for the things that I purchased from Sephora as well. I did like a full Sephora VIB sale haul, try on and wear test, which I'll link in the cards here in case you're curious, but I picked up some Tower 28 blush. I picked up their bronzer, which I don't know where it is right now. I picked up one of their glosses in the shade Cashew, which is so pretty. I'm actually tempted to just buy the other two shades as well that's in this formula because it is so good and just so pretty. I grabbed the Natasha Denona Super Glow highlighter, which I have on my skin today. I had my little birthday gift from NARS, so it was a fun, cute little haul. Last makeup product that I picked up in April is the BH Cosmetics Thousands Remix Dance Palette, and I really like this one. I've used it one time on camera and I believe one or two times off camera. I definitely want to do a 3 looks with it. I just have not yet. Such phenomenal quality. It's ridiculous. Like, I'm just mind blown. BH Cosmetics is killing it. So I definitely want to do more looks with it. But yeah, I did go ahead and pick that up, mostly because of what it says on the inside, but it's a great palette and I like it. So next, for what I actually got or like received as gifts for my birthday, I don't have that much here, but one is this little mug from my friend Lily. I love this. We have bonded so much over our mutual love of Outlander. I watched the first few seasons first, and then I convinced her to watch it, and then we ended up watching the last season together, and it was amazing. Currently we're watching The Vampire Diaries, which is making my life, and that is a gift in itself because I was like, please can we watch this, even though I've already watched it 6 times, and she was like, yes, and now she's obsessed. So anyways, if you don't know who Jamie Fraser is, he's the main character, the male main character in Outlander, and this is very funny. I also have a bottle of wine here, which is my favorite wine. This is the Stella Rosa Black Lux, and this wine I normally get like a more like special occasions because it's like $18, and I know that that's not like the most expensive wine to ever exist. Like, there's like wines that are like $1,800, but still, like, for me, I'm like, I'm gonna buy it like if there's something special happening. It's not like just the wine that I buy all the time. I get the regular Stella Rosa Black more often, even though this is my absolute favorite. And unfortunately for my birthday, I looked all over. I went to multiple Walmarts and this wine was sold out. My older sister ended up going on base and she was able to find it for me, and she gave it to me as a birthday gift, which makes me very happy. I'm so excited to have this. I feel like I could add also in here, that's what I have from other people, but I picked up 2 bottles of wine from this winery. I did like a wine tasting, and they had the sangria, and I was like, this is the best sangria I've ever tried in my life. Like, it was like semi-sweet, like just had like a really good flavor to it. Like, it was just so good. Tell me why I bought the bottle, and I absolutely hated it. It was terrible in the bottle. I was like, I'm so mad at myself for buying 2 bottles of this. Like, I'm gonna end up giving the second one away. But I'm like, is that like a normal thing? Like, you do a tasting and you like it, but then you actually buy the bottle and it's atrocious. Like, I couldn't even drink it. So that was strange. Also, funny story, on my actual birthday, I went to the liquor store near me, and I wasn't even getting anything. My sister was picking up a vodka that she likes, and someone in front of us like said that it was like their 21st birthday, but she walked out, and the guy behind us was like, oh, whose birthday is it? And the cashier was like, oh, it was that girl's birthday. And then my sister, being more extroverted than I am, she's like, it's my sister's birthday too. And so whenever we walked up, like, I had to be carded, obviously, and they're like, oh yeah, it is your birthday. So the guy was like, you want some shooters? I'll buy you some shooters. So I didn't even know what shooters were, to be honest. I was like, and my sister's like, just get Fireball. So I was like, oh, Fireball's fine. And so they like handed, like, they gave him 2 to pay for, and my sister's like, no, I'm driving, like, just 1 is fine. And then he's like, give him 4, do it when you park. So that was interesting. Yes, I ended up throwing up, but it was nice. He's like, we need more kindness in the world. So that was a nice additional extra little birthday gift / story from a stranger. Anyways, on to what I got myself. First, I got this book, which, I mean, I don't really feel like books are like something like that special or that I treat myself with, because I've been trying to read more. Like, if there's a book I really want to read, like, I just get it. But this one was a little more special because it's nonfiction, so I'm like, you have to really like commit, like, you need to read it, because I want to get more into nonfiction, but I can't, like, I find it so unenjoyable. But this is the new book from Justin Baldoni, and if you don't recognize his face, he was Raphael from Jane the Virgin. I was Team Raphael 1000%. Team Michael, who? So the book is called Man Enough, but he did a TED Talk a while back on masculinity and what being man enough really meant. And I don't remember exactly 100% like everything that was said. I just remember really agreeing with it and it really resonating with me, even though I'm not a man. So when I saw he was coming out with a book, I was definitely interested. I also may have become a Barnes & Noble's member, so I was like, I get free shipping. And then when I saw that it was only like $4 more to have it signed, I was like, okay, I'm weak. So there's the little signature. It makes me very happy, but I haven't started reading it or anything yet. I'm excited. I feel like this really speaks to me as a single mother of a boy and wanting to, like, you know, just nurture him and help him grow to be a man, but to be a man in not a toxic way, and to know that being kind, helping others, being vulnerable, being emotional, like, those can and are very manly. And this is not a parenting book. This is not a parenting book at all, but I just thought it would kind of help my perspective, so I'm excited to read it. And yeah. Yeah. Okay, last but not least, I picked up a new purse and I love it so much. It was unplanned for, and also, like, I was like, I really don't need to buy any more purses. Like, I need to chill out. I got an Instagram ad for this one, or this pattern, for a different purse, and then I was creeping on the website and I found it, and I love it. So here is what the purse looks like. It is a little saddlebag crossbody, and it has like little daisy decals all over it, and it is so cute. They're like embroidered, and I just love it. I feel like it's like so dainty and adorable, and like the floral, it's like a whole summer vibe. Purse I originally saw this for was the Claire purse from Coach, I believe, but this one is the, doesn't even say, it's the Ellen purse. There's like a decent amount of like little space. I feel like this is just gonna be so perfect for summer, and also I really like that it like closes without having to click onto anything. And the really nice thing about this was that I felt like I got a really good deal, because it says that the comparable value is $398, never, never. So I got this on the Coach outlet website, and I believe that it was like $140, but I had a birthday coupon that they specifically sent to me for 10% off. And then also because of Mother's Day coming up, if you chose the no rush shipping, which is what I did, they took another $10 off your order. So I think I paid like $120 or something like that. I also used a cash back link and got like another $8 back. So I felt like I couldn't beat it. It's so cute. I haven't worn it out or anything yet, but I really, really like it. It is the only white purse that I own. I mean, I guess it's more of like a cream, so I'm a little nervous about that, but hopefully I can take care of it and it'll be fine. But I'm just living for the daisies. And also, like, this is ridiculous and silly to like plan like a purse for a specific concert or whatever. I don't know if it's even gonna happen, but I don't know if you guys remember, because I was devastated. But I had bought really good tickets for a Harry Styles concert in July of last year, but then obviously everything got postponed, and now it's supposed to be this September. We still got a few months, so I'm like, this would be so, so cute because it is tiny enough, but it's also like, it's the vibe. It's the vibe I'm going for. But who knows? Honestly, at this point, I'm like, it could still end up getting canceled. So I'm like trying not to get my hopes up. So that is everything that I picked up in April / what I got for my birthday. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.